Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to send bulk campaigns using quick contacts and understand how they work in our CRM. So first we will go to menu, then we will go to CRM, and from the drop down we will select bulk campaigns. From here we will click on create new campaign and then select WhatsApp campaign. As quick contacts. So you have three options over here: numbers with variable, and CSV. So before there was a limit of 20,000 contacts in quick campaigns, but now you can add up to 1 lakh contacts. So in this you can add the numbers manually. So this is my data. I will select the numbers and then I can add it over here. So there are total 6 numbers which are showing over here. Then in numbers with variables, you can enter a number with variable. So let's add this. Next is CSV. So over here you can select your CSV file and upload it. For now let's keep it numbers and enter the numbers manually. So an important thing over here is that quick contacts are not available in your live chat. They will only appear in the chat when a user will reply to your message. This is because quick contacts are temporary recipients and they are not stored as regular CRM contacts. So after doing this, we will click on next and select our channel. Then you can choose any message type as per your preference. Then let's select this template. We will map the variable if there are any. And then you can click on next. From here you can preview your campaign and then click on save campaign. So now our campaign is successfully created and we can click on this rocket icon to trigger it. So this will be best for sending messages quickly to specific number, and thank you so much for watching.